pet owners that are asking those questions about like what should I be looking for, they actually probably know their pets much better than any veterinarian does. And so, even cats, we joke about like, oh, when a cat feels sick, it doesn't eat, it hides, and then it vomits. Like that's that's what they do. But at the same time, like as a cat owner, like my cat has a personality, he's got a routine. And so there are actually things like routines in their day that, while they might not vocalize and be telling you like a child would, like, oh, my tummy hurts. I do think that sort of just like if there's changes in their routine, those are some little things that it's very reasonable to say like, hey, I've been noticing this. I just want to make sure that it is not like a medical problem. Maybe it's a behavioral thing. Then it kind of goes to the obvious of, if there was, clearly abnormal signs like, oh, they're having vomiting, they're, not wanting to eat. And it's not just like hey, my tummy hurts for 24 hours, and I got better. I think it's just a matter of if there is a pattern that's sort of emerging, or if thing is just not resolving with like, nor kind of just diet change, eating a bland diet, then that's certainly when I'd say, yep, it's time to, start looking a little bit further. But I do think that honestly, people do know their pets really, really well. And so their routine is actually a really good way to kind of monitor like, hey, what are the 5 things that they like love doing and that they kind of routinely do? And then if they're starting to do less of some of those, that's when I would start getting a little curious and say, hey, maybe we should figure out if something's going on.